All right, here's a good problem with help on the right-hand rule, making direction. As I said in class, one of the tough things of magnetism is, just figuring out these three-dimensional pictures and making sure you get your forces in the right direction. So the right-hand rule says this, and so in this case, looks like we've got a current and magnetic field. So the force equals the current times the length times the magnetic field times the sine of the angle between them. And your author uses the thumb here for the current and the fingers for the field, and then the palm would be the direction of the force. So it says here, what direction is the magnetic force on the current in each of these 6 cases? So put your thumb in the direction of the current, okay. Your fingers in the direction of the magnetic field. And so these dots being pointing towards the screen. So I guess like that, pointing towards the screen. So I can push my hand that way. All right, so I've got my thumb in the direction of the current, which is down, and my fingers, which are into the screen, and so my palm is pointing over to the left. Okay, same thing here with this second one. My thumb goes in the direction of the current, and it looks like my palm would go over towards the right. I mean, my fingers over to the right, so my palm then is down. Okay, so I'll put an X. So here, the current is to the right. Oh, and my fingers go down. So thumb to the right, fingers down, and then my palm is pointing up. So there's the force. What direction is the magnetic force? This one's kind of a waste of time. It's 0 force because it's sine of 180 degrees, and you can't really get your fingers and thumb to be 180 degrees no matter how hard you pull. So that's 0 force. Here the current goes down, so I'll put my thumb down and my fingers forward. So then my palm is pointing to the right. Here, my thumb would be pointing up for the current and my fingers to the left, and so I get this down. So it looks like they've given us, I think, well, it can't be all 6 directions. So I have left and right, and I got up and down, and I got in. I just don't have one coming out. So I guess something that looked like that would be out, where the current would be up, and the field would be left, and then the force would be up. Okay, so that would be the 6 combinations, and then, of course, this 0 there, too. All right, short and sweet one, but an important one, the right-hand rule, number 1.